Hi, I'm going to show you how to do inverse variation. This is an example. This deals with a running race, and the input here is time, and the output is speed. So if you have a shorter time, your speed will be greater. As the time gets longer, the speed gets smaller. And you can see that it's decreasing, but not by an even amount. The amount that it's decreasing by keeps changing. Okay, it keeps getting less and less as the time gets greater and greater. Well, we're going to be looking at a specific example of this. We're going to be looking at the person who took 44 minutes and he ran at a speed of 6.8. So here's the problem. An inverse variation, we say that y is inversely proportional to x, or we say the equation for this is x times y equals k, the constant. Y equals k divided by x. These are equivalent statements. Okay? The problem we're going to work with is John ran a race at an average speed of 6.8 miles per hour and finished in 44 minutes. The winner, Josh, finished in 26 minutes, and we want to know what was his speed. So there's basically two methods. Method one is find the constant. Okay? So x represents the time, y represents the speed. And for John, we know both numbers. We know his time was 44 and his speed was 6.8. So we're going to multiply those together to get the k. 44 times 6.8 gives us 299.2. So to find the speed we're looking for, we put in Josh's time, which is 26, times y equals 299.2. All we have to do is divide by 26. So when we divide by 26, we get the answer of 11.5, rounding off. So I'll make this approximately equal. 11.5 miles per hour. Ta-da! So that's how fast the winner ran. To do it the other way, we're going to set up an inverse proportion. So in this case, unlike direct proportion, it really matters that you line up the same kind of units. So if we're talking time, John was 44 and Josh was 26, and this will be speed, but John's speed was up top. John's time was on top here, so his speed will be on the bottom here. That's what's the inverse part of it. So his speed was 6.8, and Josh is on the bottom, so he'll be on the top here. So y equals 26. When we do cross products here, we get 44 times 6.8 equals 26 times y. Divide by 26. 44 times 6.8, forgot the decimal there, divided by 26 equals y. Pull out the trusty calculator. 44 times 6.8 divided by 26, and we get 11.5. Same answer. 11.5 miles per hour. So that's all there is to inverse variation or inverse proportions.